My name is Helvis Koort. I'm a professional logger in Estonia. I've been logging since 2007. The first impression, the saw is very good balance. When I was limbing, very good the maneuverability. I have been competing World Logging Championships. It's very tough to practice. Now I'm practicing in forest, in real life. I have been first ranking in Estonia 2017 and 2019. I've been kayaking almost 5 years now. The balance when you are under the water, if you want more speed, you have to work harder. I can handle the gyro forces much better. You can move very fast in full throttle. I'm not so tired after my workday, and I can push myself to the limits on every day, even faster. It feels very fast. You have to try it.